What's up, everybody? We're going to be doing a deep clean of my kitchen just after Halloween. Yes, I did keep some of my fall coffee cups out just because. Anywho, I'm going to go ahead and dive into this video. Hopefully it gives you a lot of inspiration to get some cleaning done for yourself. And if you're like me and you have ADHD, sometimes staying on task can be really, really hard. And even if it's just listening to something or having something in the background that you're not physically watching, it tends to help me, get more things done. So clean along if you want and enjoy.
Keep on coming back to you. I know that you know it, 'cause you already messed it up.
I don't know if you guys have done this or not. Maybe it's just an ADHD hack. I just know that I end up making a bigger mess if I'm like sweeping stuff into my hand and throwing it. I have found just for like dust and stuff, if I use my vacuum before I wash it, like get any like, just stuff that happens in the counters, behind your little containers and stuff. Sometimes you get dust or crumbs, whatever. Yeah, so that's what I found like helps, just getting just anything that's kind of like dried and up on my countertops, even my stove, before I do a deep wash. Also, another tip that I found is if you get a bowl of like soapy water, like I usually just on just soap, and I'll have another one to rinse it off afterwards, but I just go through and kind of have that so I'm not running back and forth dripping stuff on my floor, because I have done that in the past. It just makes life a little bit simpler and easier, and that new like Dawn maximum strength spray or whatever, I forgot what it's called, but it's in a little spray bottle. I love that. That stuff gets off stuff so quick. And just with this like countertop, I don't know if you guys can see it. It's got a lot of like blacks and browns and grays and gold in it. So sometimes it like hides dirt, or sometimes I'll think I have dirt on there and it's literally just a countertop, and it kind of annoys me.
It's easy to speak out about the way I live, but it's a 24-karat dream. No supermodel in my dirty jeans, but in my 24 inches heels. I'm not pretending, I'm more like this, a game for the reckless. It's so extreme and I don't really care, I don't really care, yeah. No, I don't really care, I don't really care, yeah. They're calling me a mad woman, mad woman, mad woman. Calling me a mad woman, mad woman. No, I don't really care, I don't really care, yeah. 'Cause boy, it's none of your business if I'm a mad woman. It's trouble in your mind, how I spend my time, but it's a 24-hour streak. Wasting all your thoughts just to criticize, but there are plenty more ways to think. I'm not pretending, I'm more like this, a game for the reckless. It's so extreme and I don't really care, I don't really care, yeah.
Another quick tip in case you guys did not know, if you put either lemon juice and water or vinegar and water in your microwave and you turn it on for 5 minutes, it will break all the gunk in your microwave to nothing, so it's easy to wipe out. As you saw, I was just like wiping it down. I was trying not to get it back on my stovetop because I washed that first and I should have washed that after the microwave. But oh well, it is what it is.
Don't be such a stranger. Tell me how you're feeling. You know I don't have to live inside your frames, boy. It's such a funny way to tell me what you search in life. Well, I'm a mad woman. Sorry, I don't compromise. Mad woman, mad woman. Keep calling me a mad woman. Boy, it's none of your business if I'm a mad woman. easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, 'cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want, so keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. I got you wrapped around my finger, but don't you try to call me tomorrow. There's nothing personal in having a little fun. You wait and see if it's worth your while. So give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want, so keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. Just take a hint, you got a free pass. Oh, try to hide it, but you had me from the get-go. Let me be frank, I'm not that complicated. If you need me, what's the use of playing games though? There's no denying what we want. Just watch me break it. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want, so keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. We found love here. Together we will shine, but we know we're running out of time, 'cause we met like strangers in the night. Don't tell me it's over now. You got that something in the way you smile. I see that spark lights in your dark blue eyes, so I can't let you go without telling you this now. I wanna see you again. I could travel 1,000 miles just to feel your arms around me. I could travel 1,000 miles just to feel your arms around me. I will give my love to you, but will I see you when I get there? I could travel 1,000 miles just to feel your arms around me. I will give my love to you, but will I see you when I get there? Oh, we can make it for the world to see, 'cause now I know you'll be a part of me. I wanna share my hopes and dreams with you, but will I ever see you again? I could travel 1,000 miles just to feel your arms around me. I will give my love to you, but will I see you when I get there? I could travel 1,000 miles travel 1,000 miles just to feel your arms around me. I will give my love to you, but will I see you when I get there? I could travel 1,000 miles just to feel your arms around me. I will give my love to you, but will I see you when I get there? Will I see you when I get there? I could travel 1,000 miles just to feel your arms around me. I will give my love to you, but will I see you when I get there? I could travel 1,000 miles just to feel your arms around me. I will give my love to you, but will I see you when I get there?
Okay, so as I'm finishing this, like I told you guys, I kept some of my Halloween mugs out just temporarily while I get my Christmas stuff out. I had just, at the end of this video, I had gotten a call from my son's school that he was sick and I had to rush off to go get him. So I apologize about not showing you the after effect of how clean, but you guys did see that I got it all cleaned up and stuff. I meant to show pictures, and again, apologize. I am a mom and I have kids, and I had to go pick up my son who was sick. But I hope you stay tuned for future videos. I'm going to be starting my Decorate With Me for Christmas. Probably my next video. All right, thanks. Like and subscribe, leave a comment if you like more videos like this, and I will be putting a link to my music below.